Top story tonight unfolding in a Kingsport courtroom earlier today. A judge addressed the case of a man who's accused of threatening to shoot up a classroom at his former high school.
The Kingsport police arrested 19-year-old Mark Puckett last month. Investigators said they found alarming text messages against Dobbins Bennett High School and threats to kill his family. Kingsport police say they asked Judge Ray Conkin to order a mandatory psychological evaluation, but that didn't happen, and Puckett was released on bond. Elizabeth Kubel was in court today as Judge Conkin took a rare step of addressing publicity surrounding the case.
Elizabeth, the judge had some pretty strong words as Puckett's case now heads to the grand jury, right?
Yeah, that's right. To sum it up, Judge Ray Conkin said except for in capital murder cases, he doesn't have the legal authority to hold someone without a bond for the purposes of a mental evaluation, a request made by the Kingsport Police Department and an issue that the judge told the court this afternoon he felt compelled to address.
The Constitution of the United States and the laws of the state of Tennessee guarantee every citizen the right to a reasonable bond pending trial.
More than a week after the Kingsport Police Department's public information officer said a Kingsport judge didn't grant their request to keep Mark Puckett in jail until the suspect underwent a mandatory psychological evaluation, the judge in question responded.
The referenced portions of the press release are patently misleading and showed at best an ignorance of the law and has resulted in public distrust of the justice system.
19-year-old Puckett is charged with felony false reporting and harassment after Kingsport police said he sent alarming text messages to an ex-girlfriend threatening to shoot up a Dobbins Bennett class. But the man representing Puckett in court,
this thing has been blown out of proportion to some degree. I think the text messages, once they are aired in their proper form in the criminal court in Bluntville, it will be readily apparent that he was not making a threat.
As for a possible mental evaluation,
motions are going to be filed that will be heard in the criminal court to address those issues of concern to the public.
Puckett is due back in criminal court later this month. Now today, I also reached out to Kingsport Police Department Public Information Officer Tom Patton, and he told me, quote, "It is not the Kingsport Police Department's position to comment on the judge's opinion." Live in the Kingsport newsroom, I'm Elizabeth Kubel, News Channel 11 in your corner.
Elizabeth